Lesson: Identifying and selecting key performance indicators for supply chains. Identifying and selecting key performance indicators for supply chains is a critical activity that shapes the operational efficiency and strategic direction of an organization. KPIs are quantifiable metrics that reflect the success factors of an organization, and in the context of supply chains, they serve as tools for gauging the effectiveness of supply chain operations. The selection of appropriate KPIs is not merely a theoretical exercise, but a practical necessity that, when executed correctly, leads to improved decision-making, enhanced operational performance, and sustained competitive advantage. The process of identifying relevant KPIs for supply chains begins with a clear understanding of the supply chain strategy and the specific objectives it aims to achieve. This involves aligning KPIs with business goals, which may include improving customer satisfaction, reducing costs, enhancing supply chain agility, or achieving sustainability targets. A fundamental framework that guides this alignment is the Balanced Scorecard, which encourages organizations to view performance metrics from four perspectives: financial, customer, internal business processes, and learning and growth. By employing this framework, supply chain managers can ensure that their KPIs provide a holistic view of performance rather than focusing narrowly on financial outcomes. A practical tool for identifying supply chain KPIs is the SCORE model, which provides a comprehensive set of performance metrics across 5 key processes: plan, source, make, deliver, and return. This model enables organizations to benchmark their performance against industry standards and identify areas for improvement. For instance, a company might use the SCORE model to track metrics such as perfect order fulfillment cycle time, and return on supply chain fixed assets. By doing so, they can pinpoint inefficiencies, such as delays in delivery or excessive inventory holding costs, and implement targeted strategies to address these issues. Once potential KPIs have been identified, the next step is to evaluate and select the most relevant ones. This involves assessing each KPI's relevance, reliability, and ease of measurement. A KPI must be directly linked to the supply chain's strategic objectives to be relevant. For example, if the strategic goal is to increase customer satisfaction, relevant KPIs might include on-time delivery rate and customer order cycle time. Reliability refers to the consistency and accuracy of the KPI data, which is crucial for making informed decisions. Ease of measurement considers the availability and quality of data required to track the KPI. Metrics that require extensive data collection and processing might be impractical if resources are limited. A case study that illustrates the effective selection and implementation of supply chain KPIs is that of Dell Technologies. Dell's supply chain strategy focuses on direct sales and build-to-order manufacturing, which requires a highly responsive and efficient supply chain. Dell identified KPIs such as inventory turnover, order cycle time, and forecast accuracy as critical to maintaining its competitive advantage. By continuously monitoring these KPIs, Dell has been able to maintain a lean inventory, reduce lead times, and improve demand forecasting, thereby enhancing its overall supply chain performance. The use of advanced analytics and AI in selecting and monitoring KPIs is becoming increasingly prevalent. Machine learning algorithms can analyze vast amounts of data to identify patterns and predict future performance, enabling supply chain managers to make data-driven decisions. For example, predictive analytics can be used to forecast demand more accurately, reducing the risk of stockouts or overstocking. Additionally, AI-driven tools can automate the collection and analysis of KPI data, providing real-time insights into supply chain performance. This not only improves the accuracy and timeliness of KPI reporting, but also frees up resources for more strategic activities. Despite the advantages of using AI and advanced analytics, organizations must still exercise caution in their selection of KPIs. Over-reliance on technology can lead to the neglect of qualitative factors that are equally important. For instance, customer satisfaction is a vital KPI that may not be fully captured by quantitative metrics alone. Therefore, organizations should complement data-driven KPIs with qualitative assessments, such as customer feedback and employee surveys, to gain a more comprehensive view of supply chain performance. In conclusion, the process of identifying and selecting KPIs for supply chains is a strategic endeavor that requires a careful balance of quantitative metrics and qualitative insights. By employing frameworks such as the Balanced Scorecard and tools like the SCORE model, organizations can ensure that their KPIs are aligned with strategic objectives and provide actionable insights for performance improvement. The integration of advanced analytics and AI further enhances the effectiveness of KPI monitoring, enabling organizations to make informed decisions in real time. However, a holistic approach that considers both quantitative and qualitative factors is essential to fully capture the complexities of supply chain performance. As demonstrated by successful case studies such as Dell Technologies, the right set of KPIs can drive significant improvements in supply chain efficiency and competitiveness.